Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So Shopify or GoHighLevel, which one is better? So in this video, I will make you very clear which one is better and which one you should use for what type of work. Basically, Shopify and GoHighLevel are two powerful platforms, but they do very different things. Shopify is made for selling products online. If you want to open an online store and manage your product, take payment, and you want to handle your shipping, then Shopify is the best choice for you. You can build your website, use apps, and even start dropshipping with just a few clicks by help of Shopify. But if I talk about GoHighLevel, it's not for e-commerce. It is built for agencies or freelancers and service-based business. If your offer is service like client management or running ads, then GoHighLevel is more powerful for you. It gives you a funnel builder, email and SMS tools, CRM, and even booking systems all in one platform. You can see here. So Shopify is better for selling product. If you want to sell any product, then Shopify is better for you, and GoHighLevel is better for selling services or managing clients. Which one is better? It basically depends on your business. If you are selling product, go for Shopify, and if you are running agency or giving service, then you should choose GoHighLevel. And that's it. Now you understand, and hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.